So here I'm striking up and then down. So blocking up. Okay. The really mean version of this, right, is you grind down. Okay. You grind down the leg as you're pressing. Here, this is striking up with the hambo. Then the hambo comes down to the inside of his knee. Okay, and I can strike up, down. Blocking up here. Okay, now I got this ready to strike. Yeah, I can strike. Blocking up. Okay. He's covering up smartly there because this is gonna strike stuff. Yeah.